Hi, I'm Jordan Carfagno. Today we're going to be making a bacon and potato salad. For this recipe, I like to use small white potatoes. I start off with washing them, and we're going to boil them whole in salted water. Bring it to a boil, turn it down to a simmer. When you could pierce them with a knife and it goes in very easily, they're done. They're ready. We're going to set these on the stove to boil. When they're ready, we'll shut them. We're going to get our dressing ready. The essence of this dressing is going to be bacon fat. So go to your supermarket, get normal strip bacon. Doesn't matter how thick, how thin, it's your preference. Lay them out horizontally and we're going to cut them into 1-inch chunks. Or whatever you prefer. I mean, we're going to crisp these out really, really good. Render out all the fat. Get them nice, as even as possible. We're going to set those to the side. You're going to heat up large non-stick skillet. High heat at first. Put maybe a smudge of olive oil, a teaspoon at the most. This bacon's going to produce its own oil. Get that a little hot. We're going to add the bacon. Let that get nice on its own. While that's happening, we're going to get the dressing ready. All right, we're going to start this dressing off with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Doesn't have to be too fine, just fine enough that it's not too chunky. Mix the mustard and the garlic together. We're going to put 4 to 5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We're going to hit it with some olive oil. I would go for 3/4 of a cup about. You don't want to go too much because we're going to get bacon fat, which is essentially bacon oil. All right, now that our bacon's getting crispy and we're starting to get some nice oil, we're going to add our 2 cups of red onion. Leave that pan low. Give that a nice saute for about 2 minutes at the most. Let those onions absorb that bacon fat. When your potatoes are ready, take them out of the water. Give them a nice rinse of cold water. Get them a little cool to touch on the surface. Let them hang out for about a half hour. You're going to slice them in half. Depending on the size, some of them are real little. You can get away with just slicing in half and quartering. You know, that'll be the ideal size. But if they're a little on the bigger side, slice it in half and then give them 3 cuts down the middle. You want that same 1 to 1.5 inch slice. Add that right to the dressing. So now that our potatoes are in the dressing, add our chopped chives. I would do 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup. I mean, again, that just depends. I did a 1/4 cup about. We're gonna throw our bacon and onion mixture right on top of that while it's still warm. So again, you want those potatoes to everything to marry together. This could be served warm. This could be put in the refrigerator and served later cold. They're both great. I prefer it warm. Right now, it's ready to go. You could dress the sides of the plate with chopped chives, crushed black pepper, or if you have some leftover crispy bacon, don't be shy to add it to the sides. Thanks for watching.